In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily change phone style in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, go to your web browser and then go to igfonts.io. This website allows us to use different fonts. So our first step, we need to enter our text here, and once we've done that, it shows us the same text in different variety of custom and beautiful and nice looking fonts. We can just scroll down until you find a font we would like to use. Let's say I like that one. Then we can just double tap on it to select. In this way we can just highlight it, tap add copy. And then, if we go to our WhatsApp conversation, we can then just paste this text here, and then tap Add Send. That's how you can easily change font style in WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.